Principles of Marxist and Leninist. Revolution lines of Vietnam Communist Party. Ho Chi Minh ideology. Hello everyone, I'm Robbie from Pasal English Center and welcome back to another episode of Learning Through Videos with Pasal. If you're watching this, I guess all of you are going to start your journey at university very soon. Firstly, congratulations! You've done a great job on the entrance exam. To begin this journey, today, let's learn about the name of some common subjects that you're going to learn in the university. Shall we begin? Principles of Marxist and Leninist. Revolution lines of Vietnam Communist Party. Ho Chi Minh ideology. Analytics 1. Analytics 2. Linear algebra. Probability and statistics. Military education. Microeconomics. Macroeconomics. Calculus. Introduction to laws. International business relations. Theory of economic statistics. Transport and freight forwarding. Foreign investment. International payments. Insurance in biz. Fundamental database. Computer networks. Introduction to digital circuits. Technical physics. Introduction to programming. Well, I guess that's enough for today. I hope that you all found this useful.
Bạn ơi, cho mình hỏi là bạn còn nợ bao nhiêu môn nữa?
Nợ môn à? Cũng ít rồi bạn ạ, 10 môn nữa thôi.